There are many social media platforms out there. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are the main ones often used for business. Why should you choose YouTube over all the others? YouTube is owned by Google, which makes it the second most popular search engine in the world. When you need to know how to do something, you don't go to Facebook or Instagram to find out how to do it, right? You go to Google, and Google often puts YouTube videos in your search results to give you the best answer. Google has the biggest audience in the world, which is why you want to tap into that audience using YouTube. YouTube also has a lot of other ways to make money, like Google AdSense. Once you reach a certain amount of subscribers, that is, channel memberships. Have you ever watched a channel and next to the subscribe button it'll have a join button where the content creator or the owner of the channel often has behind the scenes footage and extra footage provided for members only, and you have to pay for that membership, which goes to the YouTube channel owner, which is a great way to make money when you have the subscriber count. Google AdSense is also another kind of backup feature that allows you to make money, and people also often start selling merch. For example, vlogging channels, they start selling their own merch, and there's just so many ways to make money that are integrated with YouTube. There's also affiliate marketing. There's so many great ways to make money, and also the reason you choose video over blogging or any kind of other post is because it's audio. People don't always have the time to read, right? You don't always want to sit down, read a tutorial or whatever. You want to watch it. You want to be out and about, and just probably have your headphones plugged in and be listening to content while you're at work or whatever you're doing. This is why YouTube is really the best method of building an audience. For one, you have a greater audience because of YouTube being owned by Google, and two, you have video content which people like to watch, and there's really that huge, massive audience that you're tapping into when you're a content creator on YouTube. This is why you should choose YouTube over all the other social media, and why it is the most powerful platform. Blogging, again, like I said, people don't always have the time to read. You won't have such a big audience with blogging, even though you're uploading content to the Google platform. People won't be finding your blogs as much as YouTube videos. So that'll be it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. I reply to every comment, and stay tuned to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.